Hi, I am Cesar. I will guide you through the correct installation of Pavone Weighing System. Come on and learn with me.
Lateral forces, shielded cables, electric disturbances. Lateral forces. One of the most common critical issues that must be taken into account while designing a load cell weighting system is the control of lateral forces. The problem can be ascribed to several factors such as thermal expansion, agitators, stirrers, incorrectly connected pipes. In order to prevent this problem, Pavone Systemi has developed and realized specific mounting kits, each of which is aimed at a specific load cell type. As a matter of fact, it is quite the kit that must ensure that the sensor can function in the best way, as it is its job to take care of controlling and compensating the mechanical problems that ensue from the application. Shielded cables. All the cables of our load cells are equipped with shields. Furthermore, we recommend to use 6-wire cables in order to manage the sense, thus preventing signal loss on the long distance. The wiring of the plant is important with respect to the prevention of disturbances. The cable of the cell must be separated from the power cables. Electric disturbances. Welding. It is of key importance that the load cell is not subjected to electrical discharges. It is recommended to carry out welding while the load cells are not installed. Our self-supporting MKX mounting kits have been specially designed with the purpose of enabling you to carry out a safe installation with respect to the mechanical components and at the same time making it possible to insert the weighting sensor evenly and quickly at a later time without using tools. Anyway, should it not be possible to operate while the load cells are not installed, it is necessary to make sure that the cells are not powered and that the welder ground clamp is placed as close as possible to required welding point to prevent sending current through the load cell. Electric disturbances, electronic device. The signal cable of the load cells must be separated from the power cables. It is recommended to connect it directly to the weight indicator or transmitter, without interruption and without terminal boards. It is equally important not to install electronic weighting device close to the inverters in order to avoid disturbances. However, if this cannot be avoided, foresee the adoption of due measures, use filter or separation plates to solve this problem. Electric disturbances, power supply. Power supply of weighting system shall have to be free from disturbances. It is recommended to use isolated power supply unit, if necessary, in order to avoid unstable weighting, power peaks with possible faults. Protection. In order to ensure a real protection to the whole plant, the person in charge of the electrical panel must be always present or available. This person must as well prepare and install all the electrical protection needed to ensure the safety of the plant. Electric stress, climatic conditions. Electric devices must be always kept powered, if possible, in order to avoid condensation within the electronic system. Pavone Systemi offers suitable, custom-made and certified solutions for each and every type of environment and climatic condition. Variation in temperature from day to night, frigid temperature or installation carried out in areas which falls within the range of explosion hazard risk zone according to the ATEX classification. Keep well in mind all the points that I have explained to you in these 3 tutorials and you will achieve the correct installation of your plant. Don't forget to follow us through our social media campaigns and access our site www.pavonesystemi.it.
Bye, stay tuned. We are waiting for you.